Round the decimal 0.375 to the nearest tenth. We need to identify rounding digit and test digit. Look, this column is called tenths column. This column is called hundreds column. This is thousands column. So nearest tenth. So here rounding digit will be situated in this column, that is tenths column, and the digit after rounding digit will will be called test digit. So this digit is test digit, and test digit will be next to rounding digit. This is tens column, this is hundreds column. If the test digit is equal to 5 or greater than 5, we round up. That is, we need to add 1 with the rounding digit. Since 7 is greater than 5, we need to add 1 with the rounding digit, which is situated in tenths column, as we want to round to nearest tenth. So we are getting 0.3 plus 1, 4. So 0.375 is rounded to the nearest tenth is 0.4. Okay, first identify the rounding digit, then test digit. If the test digit is get equal to 5 or greater than 5, add 1 with the rounding digit. Rounding digit will be is that digit you are referring.